Hi, you guys. I'm sitting here listening to the wind rock my motorhome. It's really windy outside. It's like rocking a baby to sleep. Tinkerbell's under the blankie. If I can find her. Where'd she go? I don't know if you can see her. She's right here. Anyway, it's dark. I don't have any lights back here, so I'm using just this one little flashlight thing. Now it's like it was so windy a minute ago. Always when I get the... Oh, there it goes. Seems like every time when I get the camera out, oh, it's just rocking. It's rocking. Let me see if I can get better light on us. Let's see. Okay. There we go. Whoops. I don't know what that was. Oh, there's Tinkerbell. Let me see. Tinkerbell. You want to get back on her blankie? Oh, she doesn't like the wind. She doesn't like the wind. So, yeah. We're over camping again. It's a Tinkerbell. And she doesn't like the wind. It's whistling and it's blowing hard. Where'd she go? There she is. I had my phone plugged in because it was going dead, so I can't move very far. There we are. Come on, Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh. I love it when it's stormy. Wow. It's shaking everything. The light and everything's getting shook. Let's see. Let me see. I guess I have to turn it around. Oops. Let's see. That's the light. Look at. That's from the wind blowing the motorhome. Look at that. There it goes again. Oh my gosh. It is blowing so hard and we're just rocking and rolling. Wow. Yeah. Yep. We're rocking and rolling. Anyway, it woke me up. So I thought I'd share with you guys a little bit. So anyway, have a great day because you know you can. Let's say bye, Tinkerbell. Have a great day because you know you can explore everything. Thank you, Turtle, again. Oops, I'm covering it up. Thank you, Turtle, again. You know we appreciate you letting us use that. And peace.